Hello friends, in the next few minutes I'll be giving you the full breakdown of the official timetable for WAEC 2026. The sections we're going to be looking at are the date, the paper code, the subject paper for that particular day, duration of the exam, and the time. So pay attention carefully so you don't want to miss some key things. The first one is the exam starts on the 21st of April and the paper for that day is full nutrition, practical. The exam is 1 hour and the time is from 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. In this video, we're focusing on the major core subjects. The next paper will be on Monday, which is the 27th of April. So you have these exams here. You also have full nutrition, practical 3. Okay, so this is the time duration here. And please make sure you trace these things very well. You got like this Arabic 3 now. The time is for this first one here 15 minutes. French 3 oral 40 minutes. Trace these things very well because students normally make mistakes. Okay, so the next one is on Tuesday, 12th of May. So you have the major languages, Yoruba, Hausa, and Igbo. So Yoruba essay and Yoruba objective, that will be on the 12th of May. So you can check the time here, you can see from here. Make sure you are at the center by latest, maybe 8 o'clock or maybe 9. Okay, just be at the center. Next one is our next major subject will be on food and nutrition. That's Friday, 15th. Okay, May 15th. So you have the food and nutrition essay and the OBJ. You can see the time from here. Check the time from here. Be at your center early enough. The next one is technical drawing essay and OBJ. That will be on Monday 18th. See the time here, 1 hour 45 minutes for the essay and the 1 hour for the objective. So check this one very well. This first one is for the essay, this one is for the objective. So the next one is on Wednesday 20th of May. That will be chemistry practical, as you can see from here. Okay, chemistry practical alternative A. So if your school has a large number of students, it will break them down to alternative A and alternative B. So the chemistry practical 3 is just 2 hours. You can see the timing from here. This alternative A and B is just the sections that you have. Now, see if you're going to do 2 practicals that day, it's still 1 practical you're going to do. On that same day, you'll be having computer hardware, GSM repair, and other exams like that. On 21st of May, as you can see here, you have further maths, okay, essay and OBJ. Okay, the essay part is 2 hours, 30 minutes. So study very well. Further maths is a very crazy exam. So this is the duration here, 9:30 to 12. Then the OBJ is just 2 to 3:30. Then move to the next one. The next one is you have Arabic on 29th of May and visual arts. You can see those ones here. Then if you need this PDF, just comment PDF in the option. Just type PDF. I'll send the PDF to you. Next one, you have CRS on the 1st of June. You have CRS, essay and OBJ. You can see here. Check the timing. Don't miss the timing. Check the timing very well. Then physics essay, very important. The essay of physics essay and OBJ. The essay part is 1 hour 30 minutes. Then the OBJ is just 1 hour 15 minutes. You can see the timing from here, 2 p.m. Make sure you're at the center by 1 o'clock. On the 2nd of June, you have civic exam, agriculture, okay, 2 and 1. Then on the 3rd, you can see that you have just few days to read. On the 2nd, you have civic, you have these three exams. Then the next day, that's 3rd, you have general mathematics. So pay attention, very important exam. Don't forget that in mathematics, you'll be answering 10 questions. So you have to read very well. And let me know in the comment section if there's any topic in mathematics you don't understand, you want me to make videos on. Next one is on the 4th. On the 4th, you have government. Check the timing very well. I see the timing here. That's for government. Then you have agric practical. You've already done the agric. See the essay part here. You've already done the essay part here. So this is the practical part here. For the practical, 1 hour 30 minutes. See the timing here. So if your school is very, very large, like you have a large number of science students, there will be 2 sessions. So first and second set. The next one on Friday, 5th of June, you have geography. Okay, essay and OBJ. Then you have geography 3, practical parts. So that is 1 hour 15 minutes. Then the next one is you have chemistry practical on the 9th of June. Chemistry practical alternative B. Those are not able to do on the alternative A. You will do on the 9th of June, depending on how many science students you have in your school. Then you have the next one, which is Wednesday, 10th of June. That will be English language, very, very important. You can see the timing here, 9:30 to 11:30. And the English session is in 3 sections. You have essay, objective, then you have the oral part. Okay, and please pay attention. Don't joke with English language. The next one is chemistry, essay and OBJ. You've already done the practical. So this is the essay and OBJ part here. See the timing here, very, very important. Don't miss anything from here. Then you have literature, prose and OBJ. You can see from here. That will be on the 11th, the same day you have chemistry and literature. 2 of them are the same day, Thursday, 11th of June. Then Friday, 12th of June, that was public holiday, that was Democracy Day. So there will be no exam on this day. Then the next one is physics practical, alternative A. So depending on how large the number of science students in your school is, so they can break them to two different sections. So that's for that one. The marketing, essay and OBJ, still on the 15th. Then on Tuesday, 16th of June, you have biology, essay, and OBJ. Biology, the essay is just 1 hour 40 minutes. Okay, then you can see the time. So the one here is they will do the essay first and followed by the objective. The objective is 50 minutes. You can see it from here. Check the timing. Okay, don't miss your timing. Next one is biology practical. Then you have essay, economics essay on the 17th of June. See the timing here. Please trace these things very well so you don't go and mistakenly go for a time when you're not supposed to be there. So the next one is physics practical, alternative B. Depending on how large your school is, if they were able to do on the first day, they will do on the 18th. Those are mixed physics practical. Then you have Friday, 9th of June, which will be commerce. That was the last paper. Then accounting is also on the 18th. Pay attention so you don't miss any core paper. Then take note of something like, you can see what WAEC wrote here, difference in time on question paper and timetable. So anytime there's a difference in the time, or if you notice any difference in time on the question paper and on the timetable, the one on the question paper should be followed. That means the time in the question paper is more important than the one on the timetable. If the question paper says 2 hours, that means you're going to use 2 hours. You understand? So follow the time on the question paper. Then, so if there's any topic in physics, chemistry, maths that you want me to make a video on, just let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you need this PDF I'm using right now, this WAEC PDF, just type PDF in the comment section. Type PDF, then I'll send it to you. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe to Ready Matter. Remain blessed. Peace.